Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a payment method on Domino's Pizza. Open the website dominos.com, then click on the option that says Sign in and earn rewards. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Pizza Profile. On this tab, you will see a section for profile settings. On its lower right side, you will see an option for Edit. Click on Edit. Under Credit Card Information, you will see all of your payment methods. On its right side, you will see a Remove button. Click on the Remove button beside the payment method you wish to remove. Then a pop-up message will appear asking if you are sure to delete the selected card. To continue, click on Confirm. That's how you remove a payment method on Domino's Pizza. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.